Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
City break. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, Philhams. Mayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is the 11th day of January 2021 and it's a Monday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated or DX1PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission. The X1PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boyd. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And I am working with Yaesu FT2980 with a power output of 80 watts, hook up to Comet GP-1 Omni antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero beat your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the night by calling for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Short break. Second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Short break. In a relay for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1PRS standing by. Okay, an announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs. Please call in now. The X1PRS will be listening. Short break. Second call for any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs. Please call in now. The X1PRS will be listening. Short break. Nothing heard. Since this is a supervised net, therefore all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. Break. Please be advised that by joining this net call, you declare under any circumstances that you are using your registered NTC-issued call sign as prescribed by law. However, those who do not have yet the registered NTC call sign, we welcome and encourage you to acquire the same in order to enjoy the full privilege of using the amateur radio frequencies as specified in the license. For more information and details regarding amateur radio licensing, you may visit website of Philippine Amateur Radio Association at www.para.org.ph. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling on any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1 PRS will be listening.
Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform.
1 Echo Romeo Tango checking in.
For Golf 1 Fox Bravo Lima.
DU1 November Tango Zulu.
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Okay, I copy four stations, four clear stations for India 1 Echo Romeo Tango, for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima, DU1 November Tango Zulu, and DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Please stand by. Any more stations?
Mike Alpha Romeo coordinate.
Short break. Copy two additional stations, Mike Alpha Romeo and Portal 1 Tango Uniform Alpha. Please stand by. Any more?
1 Delta Bravo Sierra.
Copy Portal 1 Delta Bravo Sierra. Please stand by. Any more?
Ito, kopya mo ba yung nag-short break?
Ready to ball.
Okay, nothing heard. Let us start, but before we start calling the live station, may I be allowed first to acknowledge the stations who check in by FB group chat. For Golf 1 Queen Alpha Zulu, for India 1 Bravo India India, for Golf 1 Delta Queen Juliet, and W6 EUG Tito Jean. Those stations are now locked and clear. Okay, let's start the net by calling the station for India 1 Echo Romeo Tango from the group. Tito Eric, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Yeah, good evening, Tito Root Boy, checking in and joining the tonight's edition of the net. And good evening to all the stations on monitor and more power. Again, Happy New Year. My station will be on standby. Back to you, Control.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Eric, and likewise Happy New Year once again. And thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Echo Romeo Tango is now logged and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima, Tito Elmore. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy for G1PUR for the X1 PRS. Please log my station. This is for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Name is Elmore from Muntinlupa City. No further traffic, 73. Tito Root Boy, may nag-short break po yata kanina.
X1 Yankee Mike Oscar. Okay, copy. Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, please stand by. Yung nag-short break, please come again. Yung nagbe-break, come again.
14 the net from General Trias.
Any relay? Okay, balik na lang po ulit mamaya. Pasensya na po at hindi ko kopya. Acknowledge the station of Tito Elmore. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima is now logged and clear.
Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-Ray Romeo.
Copy the DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Please stand by.
DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Copy D1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Please stand by.
For Golf 1 Eco Oscar Lima.
Lima, please stand by.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Romeo Oscar Mike, please stand by. Okay, and I heard, let's continue calling the station of DU1, November Tango Zulu. Tito Bani, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Pressnet.
Good evening, boy. Good evening, fellow hams. Joining the net, 73, QRU.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Bani, thank you for always supporting Dex1 Pressnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, November Tango Zulu, is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1, Alpha Zulu Sierra. Tito Boy, magandang gabi. Halina sa ugnayan ng Dex1 Pressnet.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Man Root Boy. Nagpapasalalam, bumabati ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. No other traffic, Garyo, Karex, Karel. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Tito Boy, sa 73 tiklis-tiklis na pagbati. At maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng Dex1 Perez. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, ay nakatala na po.
Delta, Solo 1 Delta.
Alpha November India.
Pakibalik po yung Alpha November Delta. One more time yung main Alpha.
For Golf 1, Alpha November India.
Copy, Tito Gani, for Golf 1 Alpha November India. Tito Don, copy din. Please stand by. Okay, next station, Mike Alpha Romeo. Tito Mar, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Pressnet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. Mike Alpha Romeo with handle name of Tito Mart, transmitting from Binyan, Laguna. Supporting the net of Dex1 PRS. No further traffic. 73, mabuhay. God bless.
Likewise, God bless 73 and mabuhay, Tito Mark. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Pereznet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Mike Alpha Romeo, is now logged and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Tango Uniform Alpha, Tito Raniel. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Pereznet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Raniel. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Pereznet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Tango Uniform Alpha, is now logged and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, Tito Fred from the group. Good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Root Boy at sa lahat ng mga nakamotor. This is 4X1 Delta Bravo Sierra, supporting PRS and joining the evening net from the group. My handle is Fred, transmitting from Alabang Muntinlupa, no traffic. 73 and mabuhay. Over.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Fred. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Pereznet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, is now logged and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar. Tito Gilbert, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Pereznet.
Likewise, Tito, magandang gabi. Tito Root Boy, magandang gabi. Dex1 PRS. Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, transmitting Calamba, Laguna. From Dex1 Papa Mabuhay. Stability, good night, and see you tomorrow.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Gilbert. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Pereznet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar, is now logged and clear.
For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
Copy for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. Please stand by, Tito Nelson. Pakibalik po yung walang audio. Okay, Okay, copy Fortel 1 Bravo Delta Golf on portable and DB3 RW. Please stand by. Indulgence, gentlemen. Unahin ko muna ang portable. Fortel 1 Bravo Delta Golf on portable. Tito Dindo, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PersNet.
Yun, ang question, magandang gabi. Nagpapatamaran, station for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. Ready? Copy.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Dindo. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PersNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf is now loud and clear. One more time po. That for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Echo QSL. Copy, Tito Ed, please stand by. D1 Whiskey India Echo. Okay, let's go back to the list. DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Tito Ray, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PersNet.
Likewise, good evening, Root Boy. Good evening to all the stations on monitor. This is DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Join the net for TX1PRS 73 and God bless. Salamat, Root Boy. Good evening, 73. Good evening, Lauren.
Likewise, God bless, and mabuhay, Tito Ray. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRS Evening Net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, is now loud and clear.
DUA1 QBR.
Lima Lima.
Pakabilog po yung 55, is that Bravo 55?
QSL po, Tito.
Okay, copy Delta Yankee 1, Queen Bravo Romeo, and for Golf 1 Bravo 55. Please stand by. Okay, next station, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot from the group and one of the net control stations. Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to Dix1, to our group net.
Copy, likewise, Root Boy. Magandang gabi. Ganun din sa mga estasyon na kantabay. Supporting our evening net at merong isang mobile station. 73, God bless. Mabuhay.
Likewise, 73, God bless, and mabuhay, Tito Jun. Thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Okay, pulutin ko muna po yung mobile. Please stand by. Yung mobile, pakibalik po.
Mobile.
Okay, D1 Victor Bravo Yankee on mobile and Fortel 15 Echo Sierra. Please stand by. Gentlemen, unahin ko muna mobile. Tito Richie, D1 Victor Bravo Yankee. Before that, Tito Richie, pakibalik mo yung full name sa akin kasi yung certificate mo ay nakaantala dahil wala ka pang full name sa akin, ha? Okay, go ahead. Welcome to Dex1 PersNet. Copy that, Tito Richie. Your full name is Richie Marlo Perez. And now in Calamba, Mubiling. Ingat-ingat dyan. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay. And thank you for always supporting Dex1 PersNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, is now loud and clear. Okay, let's go back to the list. Next station, for Golf 1, Echo Oscar Lima. Tito Jun. Brother Jun. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PersNet.
Ayun, good evening po, Tito Rod Boy. Good morning, good evening sa lahat. For Golf Panicos, Carlima, Jun ng Tagig. Just supporting the net, no further traffic. 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jun. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Oscar Lima is now logged and clear. Next station, Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PRSNet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rod Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng nakantabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Romano, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan. Romeo Oscar Mike ay nakatala na po. Next station, Delta Zulu 1, Delta, ang makisig na NCS ng digital. Tito Don, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSNet.
Magandang gabi, Rod Boy. Patay tayo dyan. 73, checking in. Maraming salamat.
Copy, Pangalos B, D1 wheel set, please stand by. Acknowledge the station of Tito Don. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Zulu 1, Delta is now logged and clear. Indulgence with the group, ladies first, pulad ko muna si D1 Victor Lima Zulu, Pangalos B. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSNet, the one of the net control stations of DX1 EVM. Go ahead. You're welcome, Pangalos B, but lagi lang supportad, Speed 73, mabuhay, and keep safe, halong-halong. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, is now logged and clear.
Rod Boy, palag na rin daw si November, tango-tango at nagkakandak ng net.
Acknowledge the station of 4 Golf 1, November Tango Tango, net control stations of DX1 ERT. Your station is now logged and clear. Thank you, Tito Jun, for the relay. Yung may 4 Hotel 1, pakibalik po. Acknowledge the station of DB3, Kilo 5 Tango, si Gandang Karen. Kung naririnig mo ako, Gandang Karen, magandang gabi dyan. At sana'y magkarinigan tayo pagka malakas na yung aming station na dyan, makaabot sa inyong lugarin sa Pampanga. Your station, Delta Victor 3, Kilo 5 Tango, is now logged and clear. Thank you sa relay. Next station, for Golf 1 Alpha, November India. Tito Gani, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSNet.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Rod Boy. For Golf 1 Alpha November India, transmitting from GMA Cavite, supporting the evening net. No other traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Likewise, 73 and mabuhay, Tito Gani. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha November India is now logged and clear.
Alpha, Quebec, Victor.
For Golf 1 Alpha Quebec Victor, please stand by, Tito Mang. Yung may D1 Papa, pakibalik po.
D1, Papa Alpha.
D1 Papa Alpha, please stand by. Any more? Okay, nothing heard. Let's move on to the next station. Portal 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform from the group, and one of the net control stations of the group, and also the stations that always control the FB Live. Naka-live tayo ngayon sa FB for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform, Tito Nelson. Good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Magandang gabi, Tito Root Boy, for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1 PRS, for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, sumusuporta sa gabing ugnayan. At pakisabay na lang din, Tito Root Boy, si Delta Yankee 8, Charlie Mike, si Tito Romer ng Zamboanga City. At saka si DW8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Juni ng Zamboanga. Si 1 Charlie November Delta, Tito Chito, nagtano sa akin. Sa Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Sulu, si Tito Jesse ng Calaca, Batangas. Si Paul Golf 1, Alpha Victor India, si Tito Jun ng Muntinlupa. Lana, 73.
Okay, copy that, Tito Nelson. How many stations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stations relayed to me via FB Live. Starting with Delta Yankee 8, Charlie Mike, Tito Romeo, W8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Johnny, Charlie November Delta, Tito Chito, DW1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Jesse, and for Golf 1 Alpha Victor India, Tito June. Your stations are now loud and clear. And thank you also, Tito Nelson, for always supporting our GroupNet. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, is now loud and clear.
Tito, pahabol lang isa. Delta Whiskey 4, Romeo Hotel Echo.
DB1 Queen Mike Uniform.
Pakibalik po yung Queen uniform.
Delta Victor 1 Queen Mike Uniform.
Copy, Delta Victor 1 Queen Mike Uniform. Please stand by.
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta,
Ayaw may Alpha po, pakibalik. Nasasabayan ko po kayo.
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, QRP.
Medyo nagkasabay po, pakibalik po.
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, QRP.
Mukhang nakasabay po kayo at or may nasasabay po at hindi magkarinig po.
Yankee Quebec Delta, Tito Root Boy.
1 Yankee Kilo Alpha daw.
Yankee Kilo Alpha.
4 Hotel 1 Yankee Kilo Alpha. Yun yung nakopya ko doon.
I-acknowledge natin ulit. Yung may start Yankee Quebec Delta o Yankee Kilo Alpha?
Yankee Quebec Delta po, portable. Administration po.
Yankee Quebec Delta, Tito Root Boy, portable.
Okay, sige. At indulgence, gentlemen, copy ko yun. Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta on portable. Jason, good evening. Welcome to Dix 1 Plus Net.
Go ahead na, Jason.
Copy, Jason. You're coming here 3 by 2 in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Persnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, is now loud and clear. Copy ko na yung D1. Is that Alpha Charlie Victor? Alpha Charlie Victor, are you on portable? May I know your name, please? One more time po yung name. Dahan-dahan po at medyo maingay ang transmission. Alvin, QSL. Arvin. Alpha Romeo Victor India November, QSL. Okay, nawala ka po. Anyway, acknowledge the station of Alpha Charlie Victor from Chaong, Quezon City. Your station is now logged and clear.
For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie for the net.
Yung nakasabay po ni Tito Larry, pakibalik Yankee Charlie Juliet o...
Yankee Juliet Charlie po. For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie.
Ayun. For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, Tito Raymond, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik.
For Hotel 1, Bravo, Solo Eco.
Copy, for Golf 1, November 5 Kilo, and for Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu, Echo, please stand by. Okay, let's go back to the list. Where are we? Okay, next station, DV3, Romeo Whiskey, Tito Roland, pasensya na po at medyo humaba. Good evening, welcome to the X1 Pressnet.
Po, Sir Whiskey X-ray po pa.
₱73 daw mo gid nga salamat Tito Roland at thank you for always supporting X1 Pressnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DVT, Romeo Whiskey, is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1 Whiskey India Echo, Tito Ed, good evening, welcome to X1 Pressnet. DU1 Whiskey India Echo, Tito Ed, andyan ka pa ba?
For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-ray pa pa.
Copy na po, for the 1 Whiskey X-ray Papa, Cairo, please stand by. Last call, D1 Whiskey India Echo, Tito Ed. Mukhang nagpahinga na si Tito Ed. Anyway, let's move on to the station of Delta Yankee 1, Queen Bravo Romeo, Tito Russell. Good evening, welcome to Dixon Pressnet.
Likewise, good evening. No traffic. Just coming up to support your evening net call. 73s. 59 kasama dito sa Kalamba.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito Russell. Thank you for always supporting the X1 Pressnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Queen Bravo Romeo, is now logged and clear. Likewise, full scale here sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Next station for Golf 1, Bravo, Lima, Tito Nato, good evening, welcome to the X1 Pressnet. For Golf 1, Bravo, Lima, Tito Nato, are you there? Last call for Golf 1, Bravo, Lima, Tito Nato. Wala. Okay, let's continue. Fordel 1, Lima, Echo, Sierra, Kakris. Good evening, welcome to the X1 Pressnet. Fordel 1, Lima, Echo, Sierra, Kakris.
For Echo 1 Delta for the net.
Stand by for Echo 1 Delta.
For I1, Mike Victor India.
Copy for I1 Mike Victor India, please stand by. Okay, next station. Okay, next station, for Golf 1, November Tango Tango, Tito Nick. Tito Nick is already acknowledged. Next station, for Golf 1, Alpha, Quebec. Victor, Tito Amang, the chairman of the board of DEX1, Alpha, Remy Tanco. Good evening, welcome to DEX1 FirstNet. For Golf 1, Alpha Queen, Victor, Tito Amang.
D1 Hotel Lima, Victor for the net.
Tito Nelson, narinig niyo ba ako?
Rosel,
Akala ko wala nga aking audio hindi sumasagot sina ano. So walang problema sa audio ko, QSL.
QSL, okay naman audio.
Okay, pakibalik po yung isa, yung huli, nag-transmit po.
For Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot.
Copy of Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot, and Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo. Please stand by. Okay, let's move on. DU1, Papa Echo, Papa Alpha, Tito Lito. Good evening, welcome to DEX1 FirstNet.
Yeah, good evening. PRS checking in
73, keep safe, and my boy Tito Lito, thank you for always supporting DEX1 FirstNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, Papa Alpha is now logged and clear.
CB1 Yankee, Uniform Yankee.
DB1 Yankee, Uniform Yankee, please stand by. Okay, next station, let's call on the station of for Golf 1, November, for Golf 1 Yankee, Juliet Charlie, Tito Raymond, good evening, welcome to DEX1 FirstNet.
Ayun, sa wakas, nakakatawag na rin. For Golf 1 Yankee, Juliet Charlie, checking in. Maraming salamat, Tito Root Boy, 73.
73, keep safe, and my boy Tito Raymond, thank you for always supporting DEX1. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie is now logged and clear. Next station for Golf 1 November Lima Kilo, Tito George, one of the net control stations of DEX1 Papa. Good evening, welcome to DEX1 FirstNet. #73, keep safe, and my boy Tito George, thank you for always supporting DEX1 FirstNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 November Lima Kilo is now logged and clear. Next station for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo Cameloy, good evening, welcome to DEX1 FirstNet.
Hey guys, Carrot Boy, good evening to all station on monitor. For Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, checking in, supporting the net with no traffic. 73, salamat.
73, keep safe, and my boy Cameloy, thank you for always supporting DEX1 FirstNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo is now logged and clear.
Break.
Copy 4 Indio 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot, please stand by. Yung nagbe-break, pakibalik po.
Ako to, Tito, palista na lang itong nasa listahan ko. DW4, Romeo Hotel Echo. DW2, Mike Bravo. DW4, Romeo Hotel, may doble na pala. 1 Delta India November, Tita Ivy. Pa-acknowledge lang mamaya dito sa pag nilistahan.
Bali si Romeo Hotel Echo, I think na-acknowledge ko na kanina.
Roger. Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo. At saka si Tita Ivy. 1 Delta India November. Ayun. Yun lang. 73.
Okay, thank you, Tito Nelson, for the relay. DW2, Mike Bravo, and Delta Indian November. Your two stations are now loud and clear. Okay, let's continue calling the station now for Hotel 1, Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa, Cairo. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 PRSnet.
Yes, good evening, Tito Rotboy. Good evening po sa lahat. Nagpapatala lang, 73, mabuhay.
73, mabuhay at manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay at Tito Ka-Harold, thank you at maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez. Ang inyong impilan ay na Porter 1, Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa ay nakatala na po.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
G1, 5 kilo.
Copy, 3 station, DW1, Queen Echo Whiskey, 4 Golf 1, Lima, Delta Kilo, and DU1, Kilo, India, Yankee. Please stand by. Copy, Delta Yankee 1, Tango Yankee, please stand by. Okay, next station for Echo 1, Delta. Is that a QSL for Echo 1, Delta? For Echo 1, Delta, is that a QSL? Copy, for Golf 1, Zulu, Yankee United, please stand by. Last call for Echo 1, Delta. Okay, moving on to the next station for India 1, Mike Victor India, Tito Robert, Juliana. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Ayun, good evening, Tito Rootboy, good evening to all stations. For G1 PUR for DX1 PRSnet. For I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in, supporting the group net. No traffic, 73.
Nako, 73 na lang at natitira at mabuhay sa iyo, Robert. Very good talaga, Juliana. May ano ka, 100% ka sa akin. Thank you. And mabuhay at ingat-ingat dyan, Juliana and Robert. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Joan, Mike Victor India from the group, the father and daughter stations, is now loud and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Echo Zulu, Foxtrot, Kareji. Good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PRSnet.
Likewise po, good evening, Karot Boy. Good evening, all station for Hotel 1, Echo Zulu, Foxtrot, Kareji ng Las Piñas. Joining and supporting 73. Ingat-ingat.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Kareji. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Echo Zulu, Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo. Tito Edmond, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PRSnet. Likewise, 73, keep safe. Mabuhay, Tito Edmond. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo, is now loud and clear. DB1, Yankee, November, Juliet, copy, please stand by. Next station, DB1, Yankee, Uniform, Yankee. Tito Sam, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PRSnet.
Yes, likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy. At good evening, everyone. At Delta Victor 1, Yankee, Uniform, Yankee, joining the net. 73, mabuhay, DX1 PRS. Salamat po.
73, keep safe, and maboy, Tito Sam, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Yankee Uniform Yankee, is now logged and clear. Next station for India 1, Alpha Golf Foxtrot, board member of DX1 Alpha, Remy Tango. Tito Jam, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. Keep safe, and maboy, Tito Jam, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot is now logged and clear. Copy, DW1 Whiskey Golf Juliet, Cambit, please stand by. Next station, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Tito Rude Boy. Good evening, DX1 PRS at all monitoring stations. Nagpapatala po at bumabati ng 73 na for the traffic.
73, keep safe, and maboy, Tito Jun, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, is now logged and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo from the group and our club auditor, Tito Danny. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRS to our group net. For Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo, Tito Dan, andiyan ka pa ba?
Yeah, good evening, Rude Boy. Good evening, Palams. Checking supporting our GrooveNet with no traffic 73 and fine evening to all. Mabuhay.
Likewise, fine evening and 73 mabuhay. Tito Dan, thank you for always supporting our GrooveNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1 Kilo India Yankee. Kaed, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Tatlo, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Kaed, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan DU1 Kilo India Yankee ay nakatala na po. DB3 REY. Copy, DB3 REY. Tito Ray, please stand by. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee. Tito Arnel, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. Tatlo, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Arnel, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee ay nakatala na po. Next station for Golf 1 Zulu Yankee Uniform. Tito Andres, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. Tatlo, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Andres, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan na for Golf 1 Zulu Yankee Uniform ay nakatala na po. Next station, DB1 Yankee November Juliet Titulari. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Larry. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Yankee November Juliet is now logged and clear. Next station, Delta Whiskey 1, Whiskey Golf Juliet, Kaambet, one of the net control stations of the X1 EBM. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe, and mabuhay Kaambet. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1, Whiskey Golf Juliet, is now logged and clear. Next station, DB3, Romeo Echo Yankee. Tito Ray, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Good evening to Tito Rotboy. Good evening po sa lahat. DB3REY nagpapatala sa panggabing ugnayan ng Delta X-Ray 1, Papa Romeo Sierra. Wala pong traffic. 73 and mabuhay.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Ray, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan, DB3, Romeo Echo Yankee ay nakadala na po. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
For India 1, Bravo November, Charlie.
For India 1, Bravo November, Charlie. Bong, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Yeah, good evening, good boy, and to our station. I'm joining the net with no traffic. Mabuhay, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Bong, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Bravo November, Charlie is now locked and clear.
Permission ulit, Tito.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Palag na lang sila, paki-acknowledge lang for Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf, si Tito Jomar, di ka niya makopya. At saka si po DW4 Bravo Tango Lima.
Okay, acknowledge the two stations for Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf, si Tito Jomar, and DW4 Bravo Tango Lima, si Tito Ino, ng Sorsogon, who check in via Facebook Live. The two stations are now logged and clear. Tito Nelson, paki-message si Tito Jomar ng full name niya kasi nakapending yung certificate niya eh.
QSL, Tito, sige. At baka nadidinig din niya.
Maraming salamat, Tito Nelson, for H1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the relay.
DW1 Victor India Quebec, may kopya.
Okay, DW1 Victor India Quebec. Tito Jing, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Ayun, magandang gabi, Control. Just joining supporting the net. 73, mabuhay. God bless. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Jing, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, the Delta Whiskey 1 Victor India Quebec, is now locked and clear. You are coming here 2 by 3, Tito Jing. .53 Papa Mike, 7 more minutes to go before we close the net. Any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Hotel 1 Echo United November.
Copy for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. Yung nakasabay po, pagkabalik.
Echo United November, Tito.
Okay, copy. DV1 Delta Lima X-ray. Doc Nilo, please stand by. Yung ano pa yun, Tito Nelson?
Echo United November.
Delta United November. Ano yung Tito Nelson?
Ay, pakibalik po yung Echo United November for Hotel 1 Echo United November ba yun?
QSL for Hotel 1 Echo United November.
Ayun, Tito, for Hotel 1 Echo United November, Tito Erwin ng Paranaque.
Affordable ka, Tito Erwin?
Hindi. Base.
Okay, please stand by. Okay, let's continue. Station of Tito Ino. Okay, acknowledge na. Okay, DW1 Victor India Quebec. Oh, tapos na si for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Tita Amor from the group, our corporate secretary. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Root Boy, and good evening to all stations and monitor. This is for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking and supporting our group net number traffic 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tita Amor. Thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is now logged and clear. Next station, DB1 Delta Lima X-ray Docnilo, one of the net control stations of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Good evening, welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
Good evening, dear Root Boy. Good evening, to all stations there. DB1 DLX checking in and supporting tonight's evening net call of DX1 PRS. Sa mga picture mo, Root Boy, gandang lalaki. 73 call.
Talaga? Ano lang yun? Ano yun? Na-edit yun, Doc Nilo. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Doc Nilo. Thank you for always supporting DX1 FirstNet. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Delta Lima X-ray is now locked and clear.
For India 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot.
Copy, Tito Don for India 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Please stand by. Next station for Hotel 1 Echo Uniform November. Tito Erwin, good evening. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Tito Boy for Hotel 1 Echo United November. Just joining the evening net po, 73. Salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Erwin. Thank you for always supporting DX1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Echo Uniform November is now logged and clear. Next station for India 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Tito Don, good evening. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening, DX1 PRS. Good evening all around. For India 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot, joining and supporting the net. No other traffic. 5x4 dito sa Tainta Rizal. Maraming salamat, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Don. Thank you for always supporting DX1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot is now locked and clear. Likewise, 54 Santa Rosa, Laguna. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Okay, from the group, for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, Adrian, good evening, welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Elman Root Boy, Papa Elman and LG1, Mike Victor Lima, joining our group net. No further traffic, 73 ang mabuhay. Salamat po, Elman Root Boy.
Yun, maganda yung transmission mo sa akin. You're coming here 4x4 sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you, 73 and mabuhay. Adrian, thank you for always supporting our group net, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, is now locked and clear.
For Golf 1 Echo November Delta.
Ayun ang hinahanap ko. For Golf 1 Echo November Delta, Tito Del, good evening. Welcome to the X1 Pressnet. At pakibigay po ng yung full name for the certificate.
Tito Rootboy, magandang gabi everyone. Sa full name is Cesar De Leon, Charlie Echo Sierra Alpha Radio, tapos De Leon, Delta Echo, Lima Echo Oscar November, QSL.
Very clear. Thank you, Tito Del. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Sige, yun lang. I'm supporting the X1 PRS with no further traffic. And good evening to you, 73 for G1 PUR, for G1 Echo November Delta.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Del. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo November Delta is now loud and clear. Any more station who would like to join the X1 PRSnet, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, standing by. Seekinet, any more station who would like to join the X1 PRSnet for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, standing by. 9 o'clock, Papa Mike. Last call for any station who would like to join the X1 PRSnet. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. I hear the station of TV1. Pakibalik po ng suffix. Copy, for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf. Okay, hold on. Yung DB1, pakibalik po. Okay, nawala. For Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf. Cafeli, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Maraming salamat, Kafeli 73 at manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Naway bukas ay bumalik po kayo for ang inyong himpilan for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf ay nakatala na po. Any more station for late check? Go ahead. For Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, standing by. Okay, nothing heard. We would like to thank the 72 stations who check in for tonight. But before we close the net call, let me read first the entries on my log sheet. If in case I miss your station, kindly inform me as soon as possible. Okay, starting with for Golf 1 Queen Alpha Zulu, for India 1 Bravo India, for Golf 1 Delta Quebec Juliet, W6 Echo Uniform Golf.
Late check po, D1 Hotel Lima Victor.
Okay, Hotel Lima Victor, Tito Bani and Tita Leah. Yun, hinahanap ko kayo, buti nakaabot po kayo. Go ahead, Tito Bani, and pakibigay po yung full name ninyong dalawa ni Tita Leah. Maraming salamat. Go ahead, Tito Bani.
Magandang gabi po, Tito Rootboy at sa lahat ng nakikinig sa Himpapawid. Sumusuporto lang sa gabing lambatan ng DX1 PRS. Ay kasama si Delta Yankee 1, 55 India, 73, Pwede kong i-message na lang sa inyo sa Messenger, Tito Root Boy.
Sige po, Tito Manny, tama. Sige, paki-ano mo na lang, ha? Kasi para may release ko yung certificate nyo. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. And thank you, Tito Manny and Tito Leia, for always supporting DX1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations, DU1 Hotel Lima Victor and Delta Yankee 1 Lima Lima India are now logged and clear.
For Golf 1, Lima Delta Eco.
Ayun, nakahabol si Kachari. For Golf 1, Lima Delta Eco. Kachari, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PSNet.
Likewise, Root Boy, gandang gabi po. Ayan, mabuhay po kayo, DX1 PRS. Joining the net, 73. For Golf 1, Lima Delta Eco. From the group DX1 EBM. Maraming salamat po, 73.
Likewise, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Kachari. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PSNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Eco is now locked and clear. Any more for late check? Pakibalik po yung Delta.
DB1 Whiskey.
So, Joel, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po ni Tito Joel, pakibalik po. Okay, calling the station of Delta Juliet Bravo. Tito Joel, pasensya na at medyo na busy ako nung Saturday, hindi ko nadala dyan. At medyo may ginagawa pa siguro one of these days this week madadala ko na rin dyan. Go ahead, Tito Joel. Welcome to DX1 PSNet. Okay, thank you. Acknowledge and noted Tito Joel, and thank you for always supporting DX1 PSNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Juliet Bravo, is now logged and clear. Any more?
DB1 Whiskey Foxtrot Yankee.
Dito, DB1 Whiskey Foxtrot Yankee.
DB1 Whiskey Foxtrot Yankee. Good evening, Tito. Welcome to DX1 PSNet, and please advise your name and location.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, DX1 PRS. This is Delta Victory number 1, Whiskey Foxtrot Yankee. Tito Ray po, Old Man Ray ng Luzon Avenue, St. Charles. From the group DX1, Tito Victor Mike. Joining and supporting your MPNet,
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Karay. Thank you for supporting and welcome DX1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Whiskey Foxtrot Yankee, is now logged and clear. Yung pakibalik yung for India 1, is that Victor X-ray Tango o ano? Medyo scratchy po. One more time, medyo dahan-dahan lang. Tito Nelson, dinig nyo, Tito June?
Sa akin, scratchy. Wala akong audio.
Echo India Tango daw po.
Echo, 431 Echo India Tango QSL. Yun. Thank you, Tito Robert. Okay, 431 Echo India Tango, Tito Ricardo ng Marikina. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PSNet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ricardo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Fortel 1, Echo India Tango, is now logged and clear. Meron pa bang hahabol? Okay, nothing heard. Let's continue the recap. For India 1 Echo Romeo Tango 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima DU1 November Tango Zulu DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Mike Alpha Romeo for Hotel 1 Tango Uniform Alpha for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra for Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar. DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot 4 Golf 1 Echo Oscar Lima Romeo Oscar Mike Tito Romano Delta Zulu 1 Delta 4 Golf 1 Alpha November India. For Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf DB3 Radio Whiskey DU1 Whiskey India Echo. Delta Yankee 1 Queen Bravo Romeo for Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima. Delta Uniform 1 Victor Bravo Yankee for Hotel 1 Lima Echo Sierra.
4A1 Dialo, checking in, checking out, mobile.
Yun, copy, the head of net control stations for India 1 Tango Lima Oscar. Go ahead, Vincent, okay pa?
Pabo lang. Checking in with no more topics. God bless and 73. Salamat.
Ingat-ingat dyan sa inyong lugar in 73. Keep safe and mabuhay for India 1 Tango Lima Oscar. Si Vincent, your station is now logged and clear.
For I1 Alpha Golf Juliet, late check.
Copy for I1 Alpha Golf Juliet, Echel, good day.
Hey, good evening, Root Boy, and good evening din dyan kay 4I1 Tielo sa lahat ng stasyon. Just checking in and supporting the net. Sorry, late check. Good evening, Root Boy 73.
Likewise, 73, keep safe, and mabay Echel, and thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet is now logged and clear. Okay, let's continue the recap. Delta Zulu 1 Delta for Golf 1 Alpha November India for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. DB3 Radio Whiskey DU1 Whiskey India Echo Delta Yankee 1 Queen Bravo Romeo for Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima. DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee for Hotel 1 Lima Echo Sierra DU1 Victor Lima Zulu for Golf 1 November Tango Tango. DB3 Kilo Lima Tango for Golf 1 Alpha Quebec Victor DU1 Papa Alpha Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Mike Mike Delta Whiskey 8 Charlie Romeo Foxtrot Charlie November Delta Delta Whiskey 1 Victor Oscar Zulu for Golf 1 Alpha Victor India DW4 Romeo Hotel Echo DB1 Queen Mike Uniform for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta Alpha Charlie Bravo Victor for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie for Golf 1 November Lima Kilo for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa for Echo 1 Delta for India 1 Mike Victor India for Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot for Hotel 1 Echo Mike Kilo. DB1 Yankee Uniform Yankee for India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot. DW2 Mike Bravo Delta India November Delta Whiskey 1 Queen Echo Whiskey for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo. D1 Kilo India Yankee Delta Yankee 1 Yankee Tango Yankee for Golf 1 Zulu Uniform Yankee Uniform. DB1 Yankee November Juliet. DW1 Whiskey Golf Juliet. DB3 Romeo Echo Yankee for India 1 Bravo November Charlie for Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf. Delta Whiskey 4 Bravo Tango Lima Delta Whiskey 1 Victor India Quebec for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. DB1 Delta Lima X-Ray. For Hotel 1 Echo Uniform November for India 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot for Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima for Golf 1 Echo November Delta. For Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf DU1 Hotel Lima Victor Delta Yankee 1 Lima India for Golf 1 Lima Delta Echo. Delta Juliet Bravo DB1 Whiskey Foxtrot Yankee for Hotel 1 Echo India Tango for India 1 Tango Lima Oscar and for India 1 Alpha Golf Joliet. Okay, any more for late check?
Lima Echo late check. Magandang gabi.
Yun, nakahabol. Kuya Lee, go ahead. Pwede pa.
Ayun, maraming salamat. Super late check. Please join my station. Magandang gabi. QRU, God bless.
Basta ikaw, walang overtime kahit overtime. 73 Keep safe and bye-bye, Kuya Lee. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FreshNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Lima Echo is now locked. Okay. Wala na? Tito Nelson, wala na dyan sa ating FB Live?
Negative na, Tito. Okay na sa akin.
Okay, so we have to revise the total number of check-in for tonight is 81 stations. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 Paris Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again for tomorrow or the next edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 megahertz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, together with 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, managing our FB Live, saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat tayong lahat palagi. Ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating sa dakilang Ama po ang kapurihan. Good night.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all, 73.